4.5. In our this chapter,
Transition
chapter number
elements.
4, we are studying about periodic table and its properties. Firstly, in our first part of this chapter, we have understand all the skills about periodic table. Meanwhile, how can we find our atomic number, atomic mass, symbol, full name, group name, period number, or family number, block name, etc. Like all these skills, how can we find any element about these important information? But in the second part of this chapter, we are reading about its properties. The properties, those are of two types. The first one was physical properties, and the second one was characteristic properties, right? Then we had seen
Yes.
physical properties. They are of five types. The first one was shielding effect. Then we see atomic size, ionization energy, electron affinity, and electron negativity. These five properties are the part of our physical properties of any element that is present in a periodic table. We see their definition, their second name, their formula, their trend, their variation in a group or a period, right? But now,
Yes.
in third part of this chapter, we are studying about characteristic properties of the element. For finding characteristic properties of the elements, we firstly see about metallic character. Then we see about density and reactivity of the elements. Then we had see about the properties of group number 1 elements. As we know that group number 1 element are called alkali metal. Which properties the alkali metals does have? Like they have softness, they have reactivity, they have how much density, what are their trend, how they make monovalent elements. That's all. That was a part of our last lecture, right? And now
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are moving towards our next topic, that is about 4.5 transition elements. Firstly, I have added you the definition of transition elements in our previous lectures, right? In those definition, I was make you the differentiate between the transition elements and main group elements. Kindly
Yes.
tell me what is the definition of transition elements which I have added you.
Transition elements. Transition elements are found in groups 3 to 12, primarily in the D block. They tend to be harder, denser, and have higher melting points.
Very good. Meanwhile, if we are opening a periodic table and if we locate the position of a transition element, they are present from group number 3 to 12. Meanwhile, they are present in our D block and they are like here, as I am opening on your screen. Yeah, here you can see that the elements from group 3 to group 12, right? These are present in D block. These are all known as transition elements. And which groups are included in main group elements? The elements which are present in S block and P block, right? These are
Yes.
the elements of
Groups 1,
main.
2, 13 to 18.
Very good. Group 1 to 13 to 18 are called main group elements, whereas the elements from group 3 to 12 are called transition elements. And now, in our today topic, we have to discuss what are the properties of transition elements. Okay, here we have see the definition of the transition elements. Now we are moving towards its different properties. So let's start it. Elements located in D blocks, group 3 to 12 in the periodic table are called transition elements. These elements exhibit several characteristic properties which set them apart from other elements. Some of their properties are as follows. Number one property, that is high density. What was the definition of density? You have to tell me. Density of an element is defined as.
I don't remember adding the definition of density anywhere right
Okay.
now. Can you please
Okay.
repeat?
See from second last page, as I have added you when we have read about characteristic properties of reactivity, density. There, I have added you the definition of density of an element. As density of an element is refers to the those elements which have higher atomic masses, right? Those elements which
Density of
have.
an
Hmm.
I don't see the definition added. I don't think I added then.
I think so you have not added, but I will
Yes,
send you in your Google chat. Okay,
I'll go edit now.
yeah. See from there, check from there, and add this now.
Monovalent elements, kernels. Density. Okay.
Yeah. Read this.
Density.
Hmm.
Density in the context of the periodic table refers to the mass of a substance per unit volume. It is a physical property that helps describe how tightly packed the particles of an element are.
Very good. So, first property of the transition element is that they possesses high density. Okay. Why they possess high density? They possess high density due to their higher atomic masses and closely packed structure. For example, iron, which is present in the transition elements, have a density of 7.87 gram per centimeter cube. And the second example that is given here about tungsten, the symbol with W, it has a density of 19.3 gram per centimeter cube.
Okay.
Here is the word that is using tungsten. I think so that element is very new to you, very first to you. So we must have a little information about tungsten. Meanwhile, here is also given about our iron, and we have well idea about iron. Where is iron used? Iron is used in for welding purposes, in making gates, for making iron things like this, for making coins, for making wires, right? But where is tungsten used? So you have to add this that it is
Yes.
most commonly used in light bulb filaments. Meanwhile,
Light
they
bulb
are basically used in electronic
filaments.
things. They are basically used in electronic things. अब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में यू नो वेल बल्ब भी आ सकते हैं आपके पास, और भी इसके डिफरेंट एलॉयज हैं, मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट हैं, ठीक है। लाइटिंग, जहां भी लाइटिंग हो रही है ना, आपको पता है बल्ब के अंदर आप कभी इसको, कभी घर में कोई बल्ब ब्रेक डाउन हो तो उसको देखिएगा, ये ना हो आप जाके आप बल्ब भी तोड़ना शुरू कर दें कि मैंने
Yes.
मैंने इसमें से टंगस्टन देखना है। कभी ब्रेक हो तो आप उसमें से देखिएगा, जो उसमें एक चीज लिट अप होती है ना, चमकती है, वो बेसिकली टंगस्टन होती है। ओके।
Yes.
तो ये आपको टंगस्टन का थोड़ा सा यूज ऐड आप करें। That was first
Tungsten is mostly
property
used
of,
in electronics.
yeah, that was the first property of transition elements. What is the second property is given here? The second property is given here, that is high melting point. As it is for general information as well, that those elements which are having high atomic masses, understood सी बात है, obviously उनका melting point भी high होगा। आपके पास एक एलिमेंट है, ठीक है, वो हाई मैस में है, तो आपको उसको मेल्ट करने में कितना टेम्परेचर देना पड़ेगा, हैवी या लो? खुद बताएं।
Not the high because
ऑब्वियसली हाई देना
since
पड़ेगा। या तो एज हमने ऊपर अभी,
all the atoms are very tightly packed together.
very good. So transition elements have high melting point. This is because their metallic bonding is stronger, which is termed is due to the presence of partially filled d subshells. Meanwhile, देखें इनके d subshell तक आपके पास completion होती है. Our first subshell is S. Our second subshell is P. And
D.
at the end, our third subshell is D. अब देखिए इनके पास two shells complete हैं।
Yes.
अगर आपको इनको मेल्ट करना है, इट मीन्स क्या है कि आपको पहले एस सब शेल ब्रेक करना होगा, देन आपको बी सब शेल ब्रेक करना होगा, देन आपको थर्ड टाइम ट्राई करनी होगी डी सब शेल तक पहुंचने के लिए। दैट्स वाई ये हाई, वही आज जैसे आपने पहले बताया कि हाईली पैक्ड होते हैं, इनका फिल होता है, इनका डी सब शेल तक ये फिल होते हैं, तो इस वजह से हमें इनको अगर मेल्ट करना पड़े तो हमें हाई टेम्परेचर लगाना पड़ता है। दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स हैव high melting point. For example, tungsten symbol with W. capital W, has a melting point of 3422 degrees Celsius, whereas the platinum PT has a melting point of 1768 degrees Celsius. You can see how much
Okay.
melting point is given here. Like our water which boils at, which starts to melt at 100 degrees Celsius, meanwhile it has boiling point 100. Now you can compare this, how much higher melting point they have. Okay,
Yes.
here is a
3,422
yeah.
degrees Celsius. Emma, who is talking in the background?
Just 1 minute wait, Mustafa.
No problem. Okay.
Have you added the uses of platinum? Mustafa, your mic is off, bache.
Yes, I have added
Okay. So now here is
the
the third
uses of
property
platinum.
of transition elements given, that is about variable oxidation state. Variable oxidation state. Variable, what does the word variable mean? Variable mean more than one. Okay. More than one.
Variable means different. Yani every
Yeah.
time there's variation.
Very good. Meanwhile, they have a multiple oxidation state. Multiple mean more than one, as I said you earlier. As we had seen about group number 1, that it has oxidation state, positive 1. Group number 2, it has oxidation state, positive 2. Group number 3 or group number 13, boron, that has the oxidation state, positive 3. Group number 4, carbon, that have multiple oxidation state. Now you should tell me, what is the oxidation state of carbon? Do you remember?
+4 and -4, both of them
Very
can
good.
be.
So that was multiple oxidation state. Okay. Now next, group number 5.
Group
Group
number 5, it will have -3,
Very good. Group number 6, -2. Group number 7,
-2,
-1. As we are seeing that they
-1.
have only one oxidation state.
And then noble
But
gases are neutral.
very good. But here, many most important and much important property of the transition element, that they have variable oxidation state. Meanwhile, they exhibit multiple oxidation states. This is because of D subshell can also participate in bonding along with S subshell. For example, iron Fe has the oxidation state of 2, देखें +2 and positive 3, whereas the
And
copper
what is the definition of oxidation state?
oxidation state means the capacity to make
What's
ion,
the definition of oxidation state?
the charge, the number which are representing the ion forming. I send you the definition of oxidation state. ओके मीनवाइल हमने ये देखा हुआ है, जिसको हमने बताया, मैंने आपको चार्ज बताया ना कि कौन कौन सा हमारे पास ग्रुप पे कौन कौन सा चार्ज आ रहा है, वो एक्चुअल में उसकी वैलेंसी भी काउंट होगी, उसी को उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट भी कहते हैं, उसी को उसकी आयन मेकिंग पावर भी कहते हैं। ये तीनों एक ही चीज के नाम। अंडरस्टैंड दैट?
Yes. Yes.
क्या
And where did you send the definition of oxidation state?
It is defined as hypothetical charge of an atom. Meanwhile, atom पे जो चार्ज है उसे आप ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कहते हैं। I sent
Okay. Click the sticky note back.
the oxidation state of an atom is equal to the total number of electrons that have been removed or the total number of electrons that have been added. दिस इज कॉल्ड इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट। एज वी नो दैट, इसी हम क्या कहते हैं, इसको वैलेंसी भी कहते हैं। वैलेंसी का मतलब होता है पावर ऑफ गेनिंग और लूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन। सिमिलरली लाइक दैट, दो सिर्फ इनके वोकैबुलरी चेंज है, मीनिंग कंसेप्ट सेम है।
Yes.
Got it? I have also sent you on your Google chat. You can add this. इन डेफिनेशंस को अच्छे से स्टिकी
Add
नोट्स
it.
के साथ साथ ऐड किया करें, ठीक है?
Sticky notes पे add करता हूँ, book पे चिपकाता हूँ.
ठीक है। फिर ये बाद में स्टिक करने के बाद मुझे ये भी होता है ना कि ये गुम भी ना हो आपके पास, इसलिए काइंडली इनको थोड़ा संभाल के। ओके, कैन वी मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट
Yes.
प्रॉपर्टी? दैट वाज आवर प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 4, कलर कंपाउंड। Transition elements often exhibit vibrant color. For example, copper compound appear blue or green, whereas chromium compounds are often red or green. Okay? Meanwhile, आपके पास जो भी ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स हैं, इनमें कलरिंग होती है, बहुत प्यारे प्यारे इनमें रंग होते हैं। जैसे कॉपर है तो उसका रंग भी बताया हुआ है, क्रोमियम है तो उसका भी, ठीक है? तो ये भी इनकी एक प्रॉपर्टी है। नेक्स्ट 5 1 प्रॉपर्टी क्या है कि बेसिकली आपके पास एज अ कैटलिस्ट यूज होते हैं, catalyst for industrial purposes. Now, here we have to know that what do we mean by catalyst?
What is a catalyst?
कैटलिस्ट अगर बेटा मैं आपको सिंपल वर्ड्स में बताऊं ना, तो आपके पास कैटलिस्ट वो चीज होती है जो रिएक्शन प्रोसीड करवाती है। समझ आ रही है?
Used to speed up reaction.
रिएक्शन प्रोसीड करवाती है। प्रोसीड, प्रोसीड का मतलब होता है कि जैसे अब आपने बिरयानी, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर बिरयानी, यू हैव टू यूज हीट, राइट? आपको हीट चाहिए ऑब्वियसली, आपको, आपने इसको बनाना है तो। बट हीट इज यूज एज अ कैटलिस्ट, कि उसके बगैर आप बना भी नहीं सकते, लेकिन एंड पे प्रोडक्ट में आपको हीट कहीं मिल भी नहीं रही है। यू डोंट ईट हीट, यू डोंट नीड हीट, बट वी नीड हीट फॉर मेकिंग बिरयानी। आवर बिरयानी कैन नॉट बी मेड विदाउट हीट। मीनवाइल द बोथ थिंग, जिसके जरिए, जिसके बगैर रिएक्शन प्रोसीड भी ना हो और वो एज अ प्रोडक्ट हमें एट द एंड ऑफ रिएक्शन
Nominate.
गेन भी ना हो, ठीक है?
Okay.
मैं आपको इसका सेंड करती हूँ। इसकी डेफिनेशन बहुत, इसका अच्छा रोल है कि इट इज यूज टू इंक्रीज द रेट ऑफ द केमिकल रिएक्शन ड्यू टू एन एडेड सब्सटेंस नोन एज कैटलिस्ट। कैटलिस्ट आर नॉट कंज्यूम्ड बाय द रिएक्शन एंड दे रिमेन अनचेंज। अब देखें, आपने हीट स्टार्ट की है बिरयानी को देना, या जो भी आप चीज बना, आप एंड तक देखेंगे वो हीट तो कहीं नहीं गई ना वो, लेकिन उसने आपका काम करवा दिया, आपकी फूड जो है वो प्रिपेयर हो गई है, दिस थिंग। इसी तरह जब भी आप कोई रिएक्शन करवाते हैं केमिस्ट्री में, आपके पास कैटलिस्ट यूज होते हैं जो रिएक्शन को प्रोसीड करवाते हैं, लेकिन एट द एंड वो वैसे के वैसे ही आपको गेन हो जाते हैं। सो हियर इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कैटलिस्ट, यू हैव टू ऐड दिस।
Yes, I did.
द सब्सटेंस
Catalysts are those
increase and
substances which are used.
yeah. So transition elements
Understood.
and their compounds are widely used as a catalyst in various industrial purposes. For example, iron that has a symbol of Fe, it is used in the Haber process for the synthesis of ammonia. आई थिंक सो ये आपको बेसिकली याद है, क्योंकि हम हैबर प्रोसेस क्या होता है ये हम सॉल्यूशन में बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ के आए हैं, राइट?
Yes.
हैबर प्रोसेस में वो प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें हम बेटा अमोनिया प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तो अमोनिया प्रिपेयर करने में हमारे एज अ कैटालिस्ट आयरन यूज होता है। अब देखिए, हमारे पास प्रोडक्ट में अमोनिया मिली है, रिएक्टेंट में हम नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन यूज कर रहे थे, राइट? बट आयरन तो हमें प्रोडक्ट में कहीं नहीं गेन हुआ ना, बट आयरन ने इस रिएक्शन को प्रोसीड करवाया, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल्ड एज आयरन एज अ कैटलिस्ट।
Yes.
And option B, platinum and palladium are used as a catalyst in catalytic converter to reduce harmful emission in automobile and industrial unit. हमारे पास जितने भी ऑटोमोबाइल्स और इंडस्ट्रियल यूनिट्स हैं उसमें भी हमारे पास कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर यूज होते हैं, ऐसे कन्वर्टर जो क्या करते हैं, हार्मफुल इमिशंस को, उनके हार्मफुल इफेक्ट को रिड्यूस कर देते हैं, ठीक है? वो प्लेटिनियम हमारे
Yes,
पास
I've heard of catalytic converters in the vehicles and
वेरी गुड,
automobiles.
वेरी गुड। Option C में nickel that is used as a catalyst in the manufacture of margarine. Have you any
What's
idea about
margarine?
margarine? Margarine is called as the ghee. Simple words. The oil which is present in solid form. It is called margarine.
Oh, ghee.
Yeah. And for the preparation of margarine, nickel that
Vegetable
is used as a catalyst.
oil. I used to read about it in sixth grade.
Yeah.
I remember reading about this process in a science book.
Yeah. It is a process of hydrogenation in which we add hydrogen
Hydrogen.
into oil and then our oil will become into solid form. This is called margarine. And in this process, nickel is used as a catalyst.
Process
देखा जाए
for
तो हमारे
the
पास reaction
manufacture
इस तरह होता है ऑयल
of sulfuric
प्लस
acid.
यस बेसिकली रिएक्शन इस तरह होता है ऑयल प्लस H2 representing hydrogen gas then
Yes, hello.
I was saying that this process is basically take place like this oil plus H2 H2 representing hydrogen gas too small लिखना an arrow and here we get margarine और यहाँ हमारे पास जो एरो में यूज होता है इसे हम बोलते हैं निकल ओके अब यहाँ निकल जो है देखिए ना वो
Yes.
रिएक्टेंट में है ना वो प्रोडक्ट में है जस्ट उसने हेल्प किया है इस रिएक्शन को प्रोसीड करवाने में दैट्स व्हाई हियर निकल इज यूज एज अ कैटलिस्ट और इसके साथ यहाँ टेम्परेचर भी लगता है 200 टू 400 समथिंग लाइक दैट टेम्परेचर रेंज भी यूज होती है ओके नाउ ऑप्शन डी platinum is used in the contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की भी प्रोडक्शन हमारे पास केमिस्ट्री का बहुत अहम पार्ट है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है उसमें एज अ कैटलिस्ट हमारे पास प्लेटिनम यूज होता है सो देयर आर गिवन फोर एग्जांपल्स द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल वाज अबाउट आयरन सेकंड एग्जांपल वाज अबाउट प्लेटिनम एंड पैलेडियम थर्ड एग्जांपल वाज अबाउट निकल fourth example was also about platinum these four are the transition elements and they are used for catalysis process as a catalyst any question
No, ma'am, there's no question.
And
I
today
understand
the
very well.
topic was about the properties of transition elements. As you can see, it is an important long question. Okay, so mark this. That's why I highly concentrate on this topic that this is the most important long question. The question can be as write down the properties of transition elements. For this question, you firstly have to write the definition of transition elements, then you have to put all the properties. Here are given five properties.
The definition of transition elements are very easy. I mean, we can just define them as the elements which are present in thir- uh, groups number 3 to 12.
Okay.
They exhibit many characteristic properties. Their physical properties are that they are very hard, they have very high melting points, and the characteristic properties are that they have variable oxidation states, they're colored, and they are using catalysts for various reactions, etc. But I'll
Very,
not write it like this. I will only write it in short question like this, but in long question, I will have to write all these points.
yeah, very good. And the most important short question can be made. How transition element as used as a catalyst for industrial purposes. उसमें फिर आपको ये 5 पॉइंट जो है कंप्लीट लिखना है ठीक है हाउ ट्रांजिशन एलिमेंट्स कैन बी यूज एज अ कैटलिस्ट फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पजेस और ये इंपॉर्टेंट मल्टीपल क्वेश्चन है कि कॉपर कौन से कलर में अपेयर होता है ब्लू और ग्रीन क्रोमियम का कौन सा कलर है रेड और ग्रीन फिर ऊपर वाले में एमसीक्यूज इंपॉर्टेंट बन सकता है कि आयरन कौन कौन सी वैलेंसी रखता है +2 +3 अब आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए ऑप्शन दिया जा सकता है +2 +4 +3 +1 तो ये आपको एग्जैक्ट थिंग्स याद करने वाली हैं, ठीक है। इनमें से कोई भी चीज आप ऐसे नहीं है जो लाइट लें। अब ऊपर वाले में भी आपसे देखें एग्जैक्ट मेल्टिंग पॉइंट का एमसीक्यू आ सकता है कि
very
व्हाट इज द
simple
मेल्टिंग
one.
पॉइंट ऑफ टंगस्टन, व्हाट इज द मेल्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्लेटिनम, something like that. Okay, so these are the most important topic of our this chapter. Meanwhile, the properties of transition element. Have you any question or query? You can ask me.
No, there's no question.
Okay, so can we move to our next? Our next topic is about lanthanides and actinides.
Can you please wait for
Um, okay.